You hear amazing Marcus recording live. Remember, you see, we do no excuses and new footwork every day. Are you ready? First, you see the move. Cross, kick, two. Let's go. By the way, two gloves. Let's go. Cross, kick, two. Let's go. Wow, 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 wow. Again. Yes, this is the move. Pretty simple, but of course, no excuses. I'll switch the cameras. Yeah, let's do it together. Are you ready? Let's go. We start with a cross, kick, and cross, kick. Once again. Cross, kick. Now with the right. Cross and double kick. Let's go once again. We can start with the left or with the right. Doesn't matter. Let's go with the left. We do a cross and then kick. Cross and kick. By the way, the kick can be to the side, 45 degrees, or to the center, the same. Let's go again with the left. Cross, kick, cross, kick, or kick to the front. Cross, kick, and cross, kick. Yeah, last time, now with the count. Are you ready? Let's go. We cross on one, kick two, and kick on three. Cross on 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Amazing work. Yeah. Amazing work. I remind you, this is cross, kick, two. Yeah, that's the name of the move. And by the way, these are universal moves. Ching. Yeah, so you can use them in any kind of dance that you want. Hip hop, salsa, bachata, Kizomba, Zumba, rumba, whatever style that you want. Wait. You sit here? Amazing. Let's do another practice. I have a feeling that you are the serious student. Yes, this kind of student that gets the serious results. So imagine yourself staring in a mirror. Not practicing, of course. Let's practice again. Cross kick two, starting with the left. Are you ready? Let's go. We cross, we kick, we kick. We cross, we kick. Once again. Cross, kick, cross, kick. We can gesture with the hand when we kick. Try it with me. Let's go. We cross, we kick, we cross, we kick. And also try to make small kicks, not big. Not big. No. Kick. Yeah. This is not soccer. This is not football. This is dancing. Let's make it small. Let's go. We cross, kick. Yeah. We cross, kick. Cross, kick. Cross, kick. By the way, you can cross to the back. Cross, kick. Cross, kick. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Amazing work. Yeah, I see people are joining. Amazing work. I remind you, this is cross, kick two. That's the name of the move. And if you're the serious student, you can join me in the studio for the full tutorial on YouTube. So to do that, you can check the link above, below, to the sides, wherever the link might be, and join me in the studio for the full tutorial. And if you're on Instagram, check the link in my bio. Yes, check the link in my bio to the YouTube channel and search for this move, cross, kick, tilt. Yeah, that's the name of the move. And do it today. Do the move today. By the way, it's universal move, so you can do it in any party that you want. Salsa, Bachata, hip hop, Kizomba. By the way, salsa on 1 and on 2, because you can do it with the right or with the left. Amazing. Yeah. But do it today. Do it today. Why today? Because tomorrow there's no footwork. No footwork every day. Marcus Body Coding Live. So, let's meet you tomorrow after you practice this move with the next move, cross, kick, 3. Yeah, 3. They're moving tomorrow. So, see you tomorrow.